Hey y'all, it's your girl jadatyshene, and we're gonna jump right into this video. So right now on my face, I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm just rubbing it all over my face. Usually I would apply moisturizer, but I completely forgot. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. I use the color Coconut. This is my favorite so far. This is my favorite foundation. This is my go-to. I was running out a little bit, but that's why y'all see that I barely had any on. But still, I had just enough to cover the whole face. So I'm just blending it in. I don't know what I was saying there. But right now, I'm going in with my e.l.f. camo concealers. And I'm going to use two concealers. I don't remember what colors I used, but I'm going to drop it down in the description box. Now I'm going in with my black opal contour stick in Beautiful Bronze. I love this contour stick, but one thing, I feel like I may need to go like a shade darker. What y'all think? Let me know. But I don't think it's too bad. I just think I can go like one little shade darker. But now I'm just blending it in with my Beauty Blender, my concealer. And no, my Beauty Blender is not wet. I actually stopped wetting it because I feel like I get more of a full coverage with the Beauty Blender dry. But after I blend it in with my Beauty Blender, I go in with my Duo concealer brush, and I just go around the sides to blend it out a little bit more. And then later y'all gonna see that I actually blend my concealer in better with my foundation brush, and I just go in with the sides on that. And a little tip I can give y'all is when you blending out your concealer, always start with the edges. Well, when you're doing the concealer in the inner face, always start out on the edges like y'all see I'm doing now, and then work your way inward. That helps for a seamless blend. Now to blend out the concealer on the nose, I actually squeeze my brush and I just go up and down. And I just do it until I blend it out. If y'all wondering what I'm listening to, it was Trey's songs, Already Taken. That used to be my song, okay? Like, when I was younger, I was obsessed with it. If y'all haven't heard that song, y'all need to go listen to it. Not right now, though, because we got to finish the video. But make sure y'all go listen to it after, okay? So now after I blended out the edges of my concealer, I'm going to go back in with my foundation brush, and I'm going to blend out my my contour. And I try not to go past my jaw because that's where I'm going to put my blush. But after I get done blending my contour out, I'm going to go back in with my concealer brush and blend out the inner corner of my concealer. And I wait to do this so I can let it sit for a little bit. Now I'm just going back in to contour my nose. I completely forgot when I was contouring the rest of the face, but we're just going to do that right quick. And what I do is I blend my contour all the way up to my eyebrows. And I do this so I can blend out the edges of my eyebrows better. I don't know if that makes sense, but y'all gonna see when I do my eyebrows. Now this is the second concealer that I'm using. Like I said, I'm gonna drop it in the description box. because I don't remember what it is. But I use the tiniest bit because y'all can see it's very light. And I just blend it right there. I don't go all the way to the edges. I just blend it right there in the inner corner. Now I'm going in with my blush. And what I do is get a duo foundation brush and I apply it to my nose. And then I'm going to apply it to my jaws as well. And y'all remember, this is the cold makeup. I don't usually apply it to my nose on a regular basis, but today I did, and y'all gonna see it actually kind of looked a little cute. Okay. Oh yeah, and I forgot. I applied a little bit under my eyebrows and a little bit on my, not forehead, but above my eyebrows too. I was just going overboard with the blush, but it's all gonna blend out, so it's okay. Now I'm using my beauty blender to blend it back out, and I'm going to use the bottom of the beauty blender this time. And no, my beauty blender is still not wet, but I'm actually going to go in with my e.l.f. I think it's called Mist and Set spray, and I'm going to spray it on my beauty blender a little bit just so I can blend my blush all the way out. Now it's finally time to set my concealer. Y'all already know I'm going in with my Laura Mercier. I don't ever pronounce that right, but I'm just going in with that color in translucent. I'm spraying my beauty blender with my e.l.f. Mist and Set, and I'm just gonna push all the powder in. I don't bake. We push all the powder in till you don't see it no more. And I'm going to put powder everywhere that I put my concealer at. Next, I'm going in with my Morphe That's Rich palette. And I didn't show y'all, but I'm going to use the first color that's closest to the highlight color. And I'm just going to put that everywhere where I put my bronzer. So the jawline, the nose, and a little bit on the forehead. For blush, I'm going to be using the Saharan Volume 2 blush palette. And I actually mixed two blushes, as y'all can see, because I don't want my face to look too orange. I toned it down with the brown one, and it's the perfect blush color. So I suggest you guys to do that if you do got this palette. Now I'm going in with my Sephora face powder. This is my old reliable, but it still do the face good. I can find my old powder that I currently been using, but it's okay. And I'm just going to put my powder everywhere on the face except the contour and blush, of course. After applying my face powder, I feel like I needed a little bit more contour and blush. So y'all gonna see me go back in with it at least 1 or 2 more times. Okay, now time for the fun part. I'm going to be going in with my contour for my dark shade, just so I can blend out these two lighter colors. And now we're going to use this Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm just going to be using that blue for the outer corner only. And I'm just going to pat that in a couple of times so you can actually see the color. Next, I'm going to be going in with this e.l.f. palette, I think. And I'm just going to be using this silver color. And I'm going to bring it to my inner corner. And I'm going to go back in with my blue. And I'm just going to blend it out. Now for the brows, I'm going to be using my Ulta Precision Brow Pencil. I think that's what it's called. And I think it's the color Espresso. And I'm just going to do these eyebrows right quick. I don't have to explain. I might do that in another video. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner in, I think, Jet Black. I did the bottom eyeliner and mascara off camera, but I'm still going to drop down what I used. So now I'm going to be using my Kiss Lash Glue in clear. And this is a trick for y'all to actually get your lashes to stay. Apply the lash glue to your actual lash line instead of applying it to the lash. And they will stick all day and it will help dry quicker. Now I'm using my e.l.f. Instant Brow Pencil, and I don't know what color it is, I'm not going to lie. But I'm just using this for my lip liner. In the description box, I'll drop down the liquid lipsticks and 3 glosses that I used. And yeah, because I can't remember the name. So for highlighter, I actually went in with that silver shadow that I used on my eyes, and I just used it as a highlighter. And y'all can see I put a little bit on the jaws and the nose, and also under my eyebrows a little bit. Set with my Morphe misting spray, and I just pat that in with my beauty blender. And yeah, y'all, this is the final look. Let me know, was it giving cold makeup? Is it giving Ice Princess? What is it giving? Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, bye y'all.